If your American Express gift card is not working, there are several possible reasons for this issue. One likely cause is that the gift card does not have a sufficient balance for the purchase you are trying to make. To resolve this, it is essential to always check the available balance and ensure you have sufficient funds before attempting to make a purchase. Another possibility is that the card details were entered incorrectly. Before using the card, it is crucial to verify that all relevant information, including the CVV, expiration date, and card number, is accurate. Additionally, not all merchants accept American Express gift cards, so it is possible that the card is being used to pay for a purchase from a merchant that does not accept these gift cards. To avoid this issue, it is recommended to confirm whether the merchant accepts American Express gift cards before attempting to use the card. Furthermore, American Express gift cards may not be applicable for all services, such as car rentals and hotel rooms, which often reject prepaid cards. By considering these potential reasons, you can identify and resolve the issue with your gift card.